Working ports. What are ports? Ports are logical doors on a device that allow specific types of traffic to enter or exit. They range from 0 to 65,535 and are categorized into three groups. Well-known ports from 0 to 100 to 1023, reserved for system service, HTTP, HTTPS. Registered ports 1024 to 49151, assigned to application like MySQL. Dynamic or ephemeral ports from 49,152 to 65,535. Temporary ports for client-side connections. Why ports matter? Traffic routing. Ports ensure mails go to your inbox, like simple mail transfer protocol, uh, and web page load in your browser. Port 80 or 40,043. Security. Open ports can be entry points for attackers. Close and use ports directly now. Analogy. Think of ports like apartment numbers in a building. Without them, mail, which is that data, couldn't reach the right recipient. 2. Protocols. What are protocols? Protocols are standardized rules dictating how devices communicate. They define data formatting, error handling, connection management. K protocols, TCP, which is like that. Here is a server, here is a sender. SYN, SYN, ACK. So, UDP, which is fast connectionless, like video calls. Actually, we use TCP in websites, and we use UDP in video calls, like request respond, request respond, request respond, from sender to server. And there is also HTTP, HTTPS, which is for web traffic. HTTP is with encryption, like exactly have SSL certification, but HTTPS without encryption, without SSL certification. Like you say here, which is client DNS query for server, for DNS server. After that, DNS server answer for clients. ICMP diagnostic ping. TCP versus UDP delivery analogy. TCP is like a certified mail service. It guarantees delivery and resends lost packets. UDP is like dropping a letter in a mailbox, faster but no confirmation of arrival. Services. What are services? Services are software applications that run on devices waiting for requests via specific ports and protocols. Example: web servers, like we say, HTTPS listens on ports 18 and 443 for browser requests. Email server, SMTP POP3 IMAP, sends port 25 and retrieves port 110 or 143 emails. Then a server resolves domain names on port 53, UDP or TCP. Service dependency. Services often rely on multiple protocols. For example, streaming video might use UDP and RTSP. UDP for fast video transmission, directly for fast video transmission. RTSP for real-time streaming protocol, or which is real-time streaming protocol for playback control. So, we have also section number 4, traffic types. Traffic is categorized by how it's addressed and delivered. A. Unicast, one-to-one, like that. Okay. Definition: data sent from one device to another. Example: loading a web page from your computer to web server to your computer. We use protocols like HTTP, SSH, FTP. HTTP, which is we know also web for web pages. Okay. SSH for remote access. We will talk about SSH and FTP later. FTP, which is file transfer protocol, exactly as like I say, I will talk about it later. Okay, now B, multicast, one too many, like that. Pardon, like that. One too many. Okay, data sent to a group of devices, like that. Example: live video streaming to subscribers. Protocols: IGMP, which is Internet Group Management Protocol. We will talk about it later. Like multicast from one device to others. Multicast. We use IGMP protocol. Okay. C. Broadcast. One to all. Like that. Okay. Data sent to all devices on a network. Like you say. One device to all devices. Okay. AIP request. Who has this IP address? We use broadcast only in local, same local network. Limitations: only works within the same local network. Anycast, one to closed. Definition: data sent to the nearest node in a group used in CDNs and DNS. We will talk later about CDNs, which is so important in networking. Example: connecting to the closed AWS server, like you see for closed one. So finally, section number 5, security implementation. Port scanning. Hackers scan open ports to exploit vulnerabilities. Example: port 22 for SSH, like to make brute force attacks. For port scanning, actually, there is some famous applications or tools hackers or attackers usually use it, like Nmap, Netcat, and Zmap. Protocol vulnerabilities. Older protocols like Telnet port 23 send data in plaintext. You must use SSH, which is port 22 instead. For protocol vulnerabilities, there is exactly famous tools like Wireshark or Peer, RTG Network Monitor, or Netcat. I'm sorry, I missed this name of application, but it's also so famous. Okay, traffic analysis. Monitoring traffic types helps detect anomalies. Example: unexpected multicast traffic. Pro tip: use tools like Wireshark, which is this tool, to inspect traffic, and firewalls to block unauthorized ports. Conclusion: ports, protocols, services, and traffic types form the backbone of network communication. Ports as gateways, protocols enforce order, services fulfill requests, and traffic types define delivery methods. By mastering these concepts, you will understand how data travels securely and efficiently across the internet.